So before May wraps up, I wanted to get into some of my favorite items for the month, so let's get into it. Starting off with what I'm calling the perfect summer outfit, because all these next 4 items go really well together, but these first 2 items are going to be from Donni, and you can buy their new collection now on Moda Operandi. So this is going to be their brown cotton halter top. I love this style for summer. And then for the pants, I'm going to be doing their silk wide leg pant. I love these in ivory and also navy. I've been loving an easy effortless pant for spring and summer, so these are right up my alley. Quick side note, so the founder of Donni, Alyssa Wasko, has been teasing bags that Donni's going to be putting out. I absolutely love these fun tote bags. I took a screenshot here, so I'm so excited for when they release these. And I feel like there's a good market for a medium price, kind of middle of the road, sort of what Valeska is doing, but more of like a fun tote style bag. So I think that these would be great. I'm so excited to see kind of where the price point is on these and when they come out. So Jude, I feel like I've been talking about nonstop lately, and whether you think they're kind of trendy or more of a moment, I definitely think they're here to stay. I just got on the notification list for when the cave meal comes back in stock. Those are not a want, they are a need now, but I really love the Dusty Flat. These are sold out in my size as well, so I got on the notification list too, but this is such a good brand to have on your radar. For sunglasses, I don't think that you need to go designer to have a really good quality frame, but sometimes the style is just too good. So these D-Frame sunglasses from Prada, I absolutely love the tortoiseshell and then the lighter lens. They were too good not to add to my wish list. This next item is going to be from a brand that is completely new to me, but this is from Vincent Boulevard. This is their Heidi frame. I really liked the silver and then amber frame. I haven't seen something like this before, and I definitely don't have it in my wardrobe. I just wish that these were blue light, but they went on my wish list. Next is going to be the auto bag. I've been seeing this every once in a while in like a really cool girls Substack, and so I wanted to get it on your radar, but I feel like this is going to be if you know, you know bag. It sits around a by far amber bag price point, but I really like how sleek and minimal it is. I feel like we're going to be seeing it pop up more and more. Next is going to be another halter top, but this one is going to be from Leset. I really love it in the vanilla color. I had something very similar to this maybe 5-ish years ago from With Jean in like a butter yellow, but I really love halter tops for when the weather heats up, so this is right up my alley, and I'll probably get this one in my wardrobe in the next couple of weeks. So moving into the last couple of items, I wanted to show you these Reformation wedges. So I saw these just today, and I just yesterday released a Substack called It's a Wedge Girl Summer. Like we're going to be seeing them everywhere, so I really like this one from Reformation. It's a 2-inch heel, so very easy to walk in. I love the pop of color. Reformation is doing some really cool things right now. I actually think that they're having a collaboration come out with Courtney Grow, so I'm very excited for that. I'll have that Substack link down below if you want to subscribe. It's on Call Me Shallow, but I really liked writing that one, so I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. So I have one more item that's not a wish list item. So Cadence sent me over some of their packing cubes, and I have seen these on Laura Riley's list on her Substack. I've seen these from Rachel Cohen, so I've been wanting to try these for so long. So when they reached out, I was so excited. I got 3 different sizes. This one I'm going to use for my hair items, like my curling iron and my blow dryer, so this is going to be great for when I travel. And then I got 2 smaller sizes, so I absolutely loved this. I'm going to use this for makeup. And then this one here I'm going to use for my skincare, but I love the brown color. There was quite a few colors to choose from, but these ones were my favorite, so I'm so excited to use these. And then I also wanted to get their I wanted to get their smaller one to use to have in my bag for all of my lip items. So I absolutely love these. Okay, so that is the end of the video. Everything is going to be linked down below, and I'll put that Substack to It's a Wedge Girl Summer that I just wrote yesterday. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.